20 Treetop, Springfield pride. Shaker cabinets, island too. Kitchen dreams are coming true. 3 beds, bright rooms, the space so neat. Cathedral ceilings can't be beat. Sunroom glow, fenced yard in sight. This home's your cozy delight. Fire pit fun, porch for cheer. Treetop Avenue, it's all here. Call Team Gabriel, don't delay. 20 Treetops yours today.